Hey everybody, today I want to show you how I DIY'd the Christian Lacroix Spring 1996 corset, or as you may know it, the Beyonce Partition Corset.
Then I'm gonna mix my paint and then we're gonna get started. So
I originally wanted to use the Mood Fabric Parker corset pattern for this project, but I decided that it would probably take a little too long, or a little bit longer than I wanted it to, so I ordered a corset from Amazon. I ordered it a few sizes up to make sure it fit. When it got here, it did not fit right.
what's so cool about being able to sew and create is now I don't have to say I want that. Now I can say I'm gonna make that.
Later in the video I will tell you how I made it fit better, but now I'm gonna tell you how I started. So I started off mixing textile medium and acrylic paint. When you mix these two, they become a fabric paint. This was a mistake on my part because it actually turns your fabric into plastic, a really tough plastic, not soft like fabric. So next time I would prefer to use Tulip's fabric spray. This really got me the color that I wanted, and I just thought that the textile medium would give me a leather feel, but it didn't turn out to be how I wanted it. But it did look how I wanted it to, but it didn't feel how I wanted it to feel. It looks really pretty from the side. I'm like leather. That.
I'm gonna continue painting and then I will show y'all when I'm done. Love y'all.
I used 2 coats of the textile medium and acrylic paint mixture. After painting it 2 times with this, I put it in the washer on a small cycle, and then I put it in the dryer for 30 minutes. It did take off some of my paint and glitter. I didn't like it, but I will say this, the chunky glitter made this project so much better. It made it pop so much more. Now this project can get a little bit on the expensive side, so what you want to do is go around your house and find all the sparkly jewelry that you're not going to use and basically cut it into pieces to use as the beads for this gown. I used all the jewelry, all the buttons I can find that would sparkle. I ran out, so I went to the store and got iridescent rhinestones. The textile medium did make the fabric lose elasticity, so I was not able to hand sew the beads on like I wanted to. I made an extra back flap by measuring how much space I was lacking in the back of the corset. This makes more space for it to be, I guess, for people that have a larger chest, and it worked perfect for me. And of course I had to have a hot cocoa break. I went to the clearance section in Hobby Lobby and actually found that furniture beads are really good for this project because they're already a sparkle and they're on a string. And also a good string for this project is gonna be the crystal pearls. They worked really well. And Hobby Lobby also had their chunky glitter and their jewelry on sale, so of course I got some jewels. Next, I just measured my bra strap to see how much fabric I needed to make my sleeves. I made my sleeves, and then I just used this mask that I found for 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. I just painted it with metallic paint, and then added glitter and some rhinestones, and voila. And this ribbon is a favorite of all of my material. It is so inexpensive and it shines so bright. And of course, everybody loves Mod Podge and glitter because it makes everything fabulous. My favorite part of this project was making faux crystals on a string. I loved it. All I did was take Mod Podge and then chunky glitter, all kind of beads, and even nail glitter to make it look like ice on a string. It was lovely. Get out of your head. And then I took a pair of knee-high fishnet stockings and also tassel trim, and I made the trim for my black hat. Believe it or not, I used chains for glasses to make my sleeves and an old necklace that I had. I got those from the Dollar Tree and it was perfect. I just iced everything out with chunky glitter and tulip spray, and this is what it turned out to be, y'all. It's that simple. Just a lot of rhinestones and glitter. And there's my mask with a paint bottle handle that I painted and crystallized, and then also the thongs that came with the corset. I also glittered those and crystallized those. And here's a final look at my corset and everything else that I made. I really love the outcome. If I did it all over, I would make my own corset and then hand sew glass beads on, because I don't like working with glue because I feel like it's too temporary and I don't like that. If you ever decide to use textile medium, it does make your fabric so hard that you can't stick a needle through it. So you will have to E6000 everything that you put on a shirt. To me, the medium textile medium would be good for maybe painting on letters that you want to stay for a long time. The ribbons of the corset were hard to pull tight, so this corset is a lot bulkier than it really should be, and because of the loss of elasticity with the textile medium.
I love how sparkly it is.
But overall, I love this corset and I would totally wear it out, probably over a dress, something fun like that. If y'all decide to try this DIY, please tag me and let me know. Comment down below. I will see y'all next time. Thank you for watching.